In this vlog, we are going to see how to push code to the GitHub repository using token. So we need to create a personal token in GitHub console, and by making use of that particular token, we need to push our existing Android or Flutter code to GitHub repository. And almost it is similar to whatever the platform you are making use of. Here we are trying to push an Android project code, and the same is applicable when you are trying to push a Flutter, React or iOS code as well. So now we are trying to see two ways through which we can push the code from Android Studio. So here you can see this is the another project I've just opened to show you how the option will appear here. When you tap on enable version control integration here, it will ask you to select version control system here. So I'm going to select the basic default Git here. So by default Git is selected, so I'm just going to continue with it because I require Git itself. So when you tap on OK here, you can see all the files are now turned into red color now. It indicates that these files are not yet committed. So you need to commit your entire project repository initially when you are trying to push your code. Later on, whenever you are trying to push the changes which you have made in the code, then only that particular file you need to commit, and remaining files will be in green color. So let's try to go to the project folder here and tap and right click here. So here in the Git you are having an option like commit directory. So I'm going to commit the entire directory now for the first time, and here I'm going to specify it like initial commit. Okay, so this is a basic message which you provide for each commit, and when you commit for the next time, like for a particular file you are going to make some changes, just try to specify those changes here so that you can recognize what changes you have done in a particular commit. So when you tap on commit here, it will ask you to select the files, which I have done in this particular project here. So here I have selected all my files, and when you tap on amend here, you can see these are all the files which are going in my initial commit.